Don't worry, I'm a fairly sharp guy. I can digest fairly.
I have no doubt.
No, I'm pretty okay.
I have no doubt.
Like.
I have no doubt. I have no doubt.
Yeah.
Page number 1, reasons for difference in the computation of DA, disproportionate assets, in the earlier findings 2007 vis-a-vis the instant enquiry report 2013. Okay, and I'll just put this as common sense. Dear Newshour viewers, please see, this is the ridiculous thing the CBI says. And if Sanjay Jha wants to take me to court for calling the CBI ridiculous, let him. The question is this, point number 1. A large number of advances were earlier shown as assets as well as expenditure, leading to double accounting, which now stands corrected. Which means, Prakash Javadekar, that the competent agency called the CBI, the agency, if we question Sanjay Jha gets upset, it makes an error in basic accounting which even a class 8 student will not do.
Yeah, because double entry bookkeeping.
Obviously, CBI needs to train its people better.
Train?
That's the case.
What?
Yes,
No,
Prakash Javadekar.
No, that is not the issue, because now they want to justify what they have, why they have taken U-turns on so many occasions. To justify, they are giving an unjustifiable logic, which is illogic actually, because computation is very clear. If somebody takes advance, he will make incur expenditure out of that. So now you don't want to show that. That is absolutely erroneous. The issue here is that in front of us, CBI has taken U-turns on this particular case and Mayawati's case. And every time there is a political logic to it, not the accounting logic or any other logic or investigating logic. It is the political logic of SP and BSP support to the Congress is at stake. Then CBI takes different turn. When that alignment happens, it takes different turn.
Point number 2, page number 2, page number 2, para number 2,
Yeah.
page number 2, para number 2, 3, 4, which relate to heavy advances, gifts received by suspects, large number of expenditure items sought to be found in refund of loans during the check period. Simple points 2, 3 and 4 mean, effectively Sanjay Jha, that assets which were under the CBI glare were refunded in the interim, 2007 to 2013. Explain that to me.
Well, let me tell you, I'm Sanjay Jha, not Gaurav Bhatia. I think you should have got Gaurav Bhatia on the program. I have absolutely
No, but you 5 minutes back, 5 minutes back, you were all fire and brimstone, Sanjay.
Commercial explanation for what CBI has found.
No, 5 minutes back you were fire and brimstone.
As far as I'm concerned, listen, no, 1 minute. Read the larger context of what I have read about the CBI finding. They have said, they have given the reasons about, family member who's not, who was deemed as a private
now I
citizen,
move.
etc. I mean, that's, by the way, Arnab, why aren't we understanding that this matter can still be contested in court? So, nothing at the moment can be deemed to be, final conclusion. If somebody believes that the CBI's final summary conclusions can be challenged, let them be challenged.
No, 1 second. Now I go.
Just remind Prakash Javadekar,
since
he keeps going on and on and on about what Mulayam Singh Yadav said. Let me remind Prakash Javadekar that Mayawati has gone on record several times to tell that the BJP was trying very hard to use the CBI to intimidate her so that she could become a coalition partner. So please let us not indulge in such petty pedestrian conversation. This is a CBI finding. I'm a Congress spokesperson. I do not want to comment on the CBI finding.
I ask you, now I go back to
its own.
Now I go back to.
Please get somebody from the Samajwadi Party. I can respond to BJP because the BJP only wants to make political capital out of it.
I go back now to history. I respond always by
fact. And I'm willing to answer you because you are the big boss of the program, Arnab.
I'm nobody's big boss. I'm just a poor little anchor. Now, Sanjay Jha, I go back to history. The CBI in 2007 status report says, Akhilesh Yadav, an MP in the capacity of public servant, has not only abetted his father Mulayam Singh Yadav in acquisition of assets, but has also acquired assets disproportionate to his known sources of income. CBI status report of 2007. Now, even if I compare this with the points that have been made in the status in the closure report today, Sanjay Jha, keep in mind one very basic point. What made the CBI change its position? Effectively, it was advice from the central government. You know, and why I'm saying this? It is because the court was extremely surprised and made some telling observations. In fact, you will remember that Justice Kabir in January 2009 said, "You realize what you are saying?" And I quote, "It is very unusual. It is because the central government gave opinion that you filed the interim application. It is incomprehensible." It asked the CBI, "Why did you go to the central government? You should have come to us." So you understand what's going on here. Even the court saw through it and asked those telling questions. You understand, Sanjay?
Absolutely.
So I'm asking you, this is the backdrop of the closure report.
I'm answering to you as a dispassionate, I'm answering your question as a very dispassionate political observer. For the moment, remove the hat of a Congress spokesperson from me. And I'm asking
why do you want to do that? Why do you want to do that? You see, why do you want to? You are a Congress spokesperson.
Are you alluding? No, 1 minute. Are you alluding that the CBI, despite being under such heavy public scrutiny, under such severe media inquisition, is still doing its own number and giving a clean chit to a politician when the Supreme Court, the public, the media, and of course the BJP is all watching it with such a hawk's eye? Well, that's for Mr. Ranjit Sinha to worry about again.
All I'm saying is
it's not something that
all I'm saying is
CBI to answer.
All I'm saying is that I remember, and I have an elephant's memory, that after initially saying there was sufficient evidence against the Yadavs, the same CBI had backtracked after the Samajwadi Party bailed out the government in a trust vote. So why should I keep history back? You withdrew the application to place status reports to the court instead of the centre. You changed position once again in the run-up to the 2009 elections when the seat-sharing arrangement between the Congress and the SP had started. This is history, Sanjay. This is history. It's not prehistory. Prakash Javadekar wants to respond.
Inferences.
No, you're saying wrong inferences.
You know what Prakash Javadekar was on a program with me some time ago, Arnab. And you know what Prakash Javadekar alleged? Prakash Javadekar, with due respects to him, I have a lot of respect for the gentleman, but he alleged, and I thought that was the most outlandish thing I've heard since the last 26 years, was the fact that this was an attempt to divert from the communal riots in Muzaffarnagar.
Let him respond. Now you all want to make it political.
Repugnant.
You all want to make it political, so go ahead. Let him make a political response.
These are very serious.
Want to make it political.
These are very serious accusations made, and I think the BJP needs to conduct itself with little greater political maturity.
Okay, so let's
not make the debate
you politicized it, you'll get a political response. Prakash Javadekar has the last word and he's responding to Sanjay Jha.
He's done that. I'm just carrying it forward.
Absolutely.
I think the people of this country should know how the BJP conducts itself on a matter of communal riots.
Let him respond to you. We have 1 minute left on this debate.
For heaven's sake.
Sanjay, listen. That's very simple.
Yes, Mr. Javadekar, I'm all yours.
Every
Please
time you are doing deals with Samajwadi and BSP time and again to suit your political needs. You are using CBI to do that. You are using other institutes also, and timing also. Today, the MOD or PMO from their report leaks, which demeans the army, and here is a report coming before the court making political convenience of the Congress at a time when Samajwadi Party is in real trouble in Muzaffarnagar, and that timing is also not
so now you believe everything is a diversion tactic.
It confirms
Are you trying to tell me 1 minute? Are you saying that every event that happens is a diversion? I seriously wish in Congress we were so powerful that if we decided to do something, it just happened at a...
Gentlemen, I think this question is in the domain. I put that question once again to the viewers of the News Hour tonight. Do you think
you are concerned today because Mr. Narendra Modi is looking a little awkward being in the company of a very...
Sanjay Jha, the jury is out on whether the CBI has closed the case against Mulayam Singh Yadav for political reasons. Many people think so, but let the people decide. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining me. And on the other side, we have someone who I believe arguably is the best actor in Indian cinema today. Back in a couple of minutes.